20 ng Mayo, bumisita muli ang bitag sa Daly City Police Department sa California, USA upang isagawang ride-along o pakikiangkas sa mobile patrol ni Officer Ed Gregorio, isang Filipino-American police officer sa Daly City. Bago sumampa mga US patrol officers ng Daly City, isinasagawa muna ang physical inspection ng kanilang mga armas at kanilang mobile patrol. Ang kanilang computer system sa loob ng patrol car ang siyang nagbibigay ng instructions sa mga bagay na kanilang gagawin sa pagpapatrolya na nagmumula sa mga tawag sa 911.
Alright, so we're just gonna get started now. I'm just logging on to our computer here. This will give us information on what's out there right now, all the calls that are pending, where the officers are at, what they're doing. So we'll go drive around right now, see what we can find out there.
Unang tawag na natanggap ni Officer Gregorio.
Right now looks like there's a domestic going on at 17. Let's see this one says somebody's yelling.
Isang babae raw umano ang sumisigaw at humihingi ng saklolo.
It sounds like some type of 911 call. They were able to trace the cell phone number to this address, so we're going to try to go there and see what that's about.
14157 quarters.
141.
Domestic and X was yelling that she's being assaulted. 17 Hillcrest.
141. So this is what they call top of the hill, Daly City. And we're looking for 17 Hillcrest. Here's the other officer. Oh, he's checking there. We're gonna go on foot and see if we can see anybody running around or somebody asking for help.
Pagdating sa 17th Hillcrest Drive, Daly City, California, agad tinanong ni Officer Gregorio ang mga Pinoy na ito upang hanapin ang babaeng tumawag sa 911.
Declaration number dito na bumalik kaya.
Yeah, pero wala kami na.
Baka cellphone.
Kasi parang may nagkuhan kanina eh. Oh, hindi, may bang nagdot?
Hindi nakakatiyak ang mga nakatambay na Pinoy na kanyang pinagtanungan, kaya't sinamahan ito ng isang patrol officer upang hanapin ang kanilang subject na babaeng humihingi ng responde. Hindi nahanap ng dalawang patrol officer ang kanilang subject na Pinay na tumawag sa 911.
Those guys that we were talking to earlier, they're saying that they've been there and they didn't see or hear anything unusual within the last few minutes. So as of now, we don't know where the call came from, but before we clear the call, we're gonna drive around the area to make sure we didn't miss anybody.
Pabalik na kami sa patrol car kasama si Officer Gregorio. Isang follow-up information ang kanyang natanggap.
So now we're going to a nearby store here. It might be related to our call. They're saying that a female, Filipina female, walked in there asking them to call 911. So we're gonna go there now to see if it's related or not.
Tindahan sa Mission Street na kung saan sa follow-up call na ibinato sa computer ni Officer Gregorio, doon daw matatagpuan ang babaeng hinahanap ng mga Daly City Patrol Officer.
Quarter 7, male house outstanding. She's pointing to a building on Mission to get some more.
Okay. The officer saying that it's related to our original call. There's a Filipino female over here that's bleeding, so we're gonna see what's going on.
It's gonna be 6712 Mission where the accident.
Okay, so just stay your distance. We're calling for paramedics right now to check out the lady.
Makikitang Pinay nito, duguan, na sumalubong sa amin. Ang kanyang inarereklamo, ang kanyang kaibigan na kapwa Pinay, ang siyang sumapak sa kanya na nasa second floor ng gusali.
Hey Jessica, open the door. Open the door.
Pagmasdan, Bago pa man pagbuksan ng pinto ng dalawang officer, nakahawak na sila sa kanilang mga baril sa holster. At ang nagbukas ng pinto, isang Pinoy din. Subalit ang kanilang hinahanap ay isang nagngangalang Jessica.
Jessica's upstairs, first bedroom. Relax for a second. It's okay, no, you don't turn around. It's okay, relax. Is William upstairs? William.
Can you bring Jessica up here so we can figure out which room she was in? No one up here seems to know which room she is.
Pansinin ng babaeng ito, maang-maangan sa umpisa. Subalit, umamin din na siya si Jessica.
Hey,
Wake up!
you know Jessica, right? Where is she at?
Yes. Jessica's S1.
Which room is Jessica? Right, Jessica?
Yeah.
Be honest with me. Okay, Jessica's right here. You guys been friends for a while, right?
Since I was probably 9. Because she came to my house. When we were texting each other, we were cool. I was like, come through, we're just drinking a little bit.
And all of a sudden you guys start
We just started fighting.
Ang dahilan pala ng kanilang sapakan ay lalaki.
Fighting.
Over what? Money? Over guy? Over jealousy? What?
Okay.
Okay, about a guy.
We were fine right before she got here.
You invited her here?
I invited her here because I just got fired from my job today.
From here?
Yeah, today. So I was like, come over, we're drinking, you know, whatever. You can read the text messages, we're happy, LOL.
How did she get over?
Because she tried to fight me, so I had to hit her back. Nothing. But she was hitting me, but I was covering myself.
Is that in your purse?
It just happened mutually.
Did she hit you? How did
She
hit
was
you?
hitting me, but with her hands.
Punch, slap, hit?
Punch,
What?
no, punch.
Walang kaabog-abog, ipinakita ni Jessica sa bitag ang mga text messages ng kanyang kaibigan na naging dahilan ng kanilang sapakan. Subalit, sa kabila ng pisikal na awayan ni na Jessica at Lali, napagkasunduan ng dalawa na hindi na sila maghahabla ng kaso sa bawat isa.
Okay, where do we go from here? Are you guys gonna continue to be friends? You guys try to work it out or what?
I know I'm ready. I'll be her friend later on, not right now.
Okay, that's understandable. So we're gonna suggest you guys do is go your separate ways
For now.
Okay.
But we're still family, it's
Okay.
just not right now.
Okay, all I'm saying is that it sounds like you guys have been friends for a very long
Since
time.
9.
And for you guys to be arguing like this to the point where you guys are hurting each other over another man,
Tell her.
it's kind of silly. But you know what? Move on from here.
Yeah.
Don't do anything stupid. Let her go away for the night. Tomorrow it's a whole new day. Right? Okay. That particular case will go under 415, which is in the penal code is disturbance.
Isang simpleng bangayan o disturbance lamang na kanilang narespondehan. Simpleng bagay tulad ng mga away sa loob ng bahay, nare-respondehan ng mga pulis Amerika. At ito ang pagkakaiba ng mga Phil-American cops sa Amerika sa mga pulis natin sa Pinas. Hindi ito ginagawa dahil ito'y trabahong pambarangay.